Good morning, students. My name is Gagandeep Kaur. Today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is Advanced Feature of Excel. And in this video, we will be covering two topics. First, how to create the charts, and second, what are the different components of the chart. So first of all, let's talk about the charts. So a chart is a graphical representation of the data in which the data is represented by symbols such as bars in the bar chart, lines in a line chart, or slices in a pie chart. Usually a chart can represent tabular numeric data or some kind of functions. So let's see how to create a chart. To do that, I have already created a mark sheet for me. First of all, select your data which you want to show in your chart. Then go to the Insert tab, click on the chart, column chart option. Now you can see in the chart group we have different charts: column, line, pie, bar, area, scatter, and other kind of charts. So here we will be taking a very simple chart, that is column chart. Further, column chart has some subtypes: 2D column, 3D column, cylinders, cone, and pyramids. So I will go with the very basic chart, that is column chart. This is my chart. This was our first topic, how to create a chart. Now the next topic is the components of the chart. In this chart, many components are not visible. I will go to the layout tab and see which all components are there. First of all, chart title. I will click over here. Right now there is no chart title, but I need one. So here is the first component, that is chart title. Give here a good chart title which represent your chart. So I will be writing here mark sheet, because my chart shows the marks of the different tests of the students. Mark sheet. The second thing, the axis. This is called the y-axis and this is called the x-axis. So I will go to the axis title. First of all, horizontal. So my horizontal axis represent the name of the students. So I will give it the name of students. Again, go to the axis title, click on the vertical option. So my vertical axis show the marks of the student. So I will write here marks. Next is the legends. These boxes here represent the legends. The blue line shows the marks of the first test, the red line shows the marks of the second test, and this green color shows the marks of the test 3. You can change the position of your legends. Like right now they are on the right side. I can put them at the top also, like this, or I can put them on the left side. It is my wish where I want my legends to be placed. So I will be placing them on the top. The next is data label. Now here, see, this shows 80 marks because you can judge it from here because it is exact on the point, but you cannot judge these marks by just looking at the chart. So I can click on the data labels and show them. Now see, these marks are 88. They are showing the exact marks of the students. These are the data labels, and these bars are called the data series. We have two more components of the chart. The first is chart area. In the chart area, you include all the components of the chart, like chart title, both axes, these data series, data labels, legends. Components all together are called chart area. The next is plot area. Plot area includes only the data series, the horizontal axis, the vertical axis, and these grid lines. So this is the difference between chart area and the plot area. These were your components. Thank you.